Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A, A2, and jetback pinsetters. This is it. The final adjustment. Number 51. And it is one of the simpler ones. Seems like all the complicated ones are all in the beginning. But here we are. Last one, the motor mount adjustment. This adjustment is made to ensure that the motor is properly positioned to provide adequate tension on the motor to gearbox belt and motor to elevator belt. Okay, so to do this, you're going to take off the spring for your motor to elevator belt. The only problem I have with this adjustment is they don't tell you what is adequate tension. Adequate attention. Adequate tension. And then go ahead and put your spring back on for your motor to elevator. And that's it. It says improper motor to gearbox belt tension can cause belt slippage and overloading to motor while lifting deck. So don't just make sure you don't get it too tight. I'd say probably about an inch, half an inch of play up and down. So now that the adjustments are done, we can start moving on to other things. I got a couple video requests that people have wanted. I have a couple ideas of my own of stuff that I want to show you. That's it. Let me know what you guys thought of the series. Bust my ass these last couple days to get these last 18 adjustments done, because in a couple weeks here I'll be going on vacation. By the time this video comes out though, I will have already been back to work for at least another month and a half. My vacation will be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the series. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please, 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 please leave requests so that way I know what you guys want to see next, because you know everyone wants to, you know, can request the adjustment videos, but it's like, well, I was already planning on doing all 51 anyways. So yeah, you want me to show you how to repair something, you want to see me do anything. I've had a couple of people say that they want me to rebuild the clutch. That's going on the list. A couple of people have said they want to see me even, you know, something to as much as the clutch. To one person has asked me how I installed cork onto the ball wheels, so that'll be on there. You know, spider rebuilds and detector change outs and some other stuff. And you know, as much as you guys want me to do, if I haven't done it already, I will do it. So let me know what you guys want to see. So yeah, questions, leave in the comments. Requests, leave in the comments. Any of my videos. I have at least 51 up. And if you feel like sharing the video, sharing the playlist, if you can leave a like on the video, like on anything, that way I know that I'm doing a good job and I know what you guys like versus what you don't like, and this, that, and the other. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.